Alright, so hello everyone. We're gonna go do graphic design. So first and foremost, we're gonna need a tool. Some of you might have Photoshop and etc. But for the sake of this subject, which is Introduction to Graphic Design, I'm going to use GIMP. It's a tool which is somewhat limited as opposed to Photoshop. But on the flip side, Photoshop is not something that everyone can afford. Whereas if I use GIMP, everyone can download it for free and be able to use it on their system, right? So to do just that, it's really simple. Just go to gimp.org, right? And this is the welcome screen, the home screen, and you can just immediately go to download, and there you have it. We will have different kinds of current stable. The page just looks like this, the download page, and there's so many options to choose from supposedly, but I'm just gonna go simple and just immediately download GIMP directly, right? And it will then download it just like that, right? So once that is done, what I did was I just clicked on that and then choose a few options with regards to installing, right? And then I just got into installing, and now I'm finished. I think it's pretty simple to know what to do in terms of installing, right? So you just click on install yes, choose maybe a little bit of choosing here and there, for example where to put what file, etc., right? And hopefully now I can launch GIMP, right? So that is with regards to where to download, etc. And next video will be about using GIMP.